Beautiful evening after the rain. Perfect timing to come out and ride. Just replaced my brake too, my brake pads. Took it out for a nice ride. My shock is a little soft. I'm already kind of almost hitting bottom on it. Fresh air, you can see as far as the eye can see. With the sun coming out, the clouds gone. Whew. Bike maintenance day for me. Got some new pads on the helmet so they don't slide around my head. And I raised the stem of this bike a little bit, just like maybe a fourth of an inch. You can see it's a little high there. It seems fine. Seems like it's fairly comfortable with it on there. Whew, nice day to come out and just do a quick exercise, get some sweat, test out the bike. Okay, brake replaced, up the stem a little bit, new pads on the helmet, time for action again, hopefully tomorrow.